Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Etalita Niken Valencia. You can call me Niken. I 9 grade. Here, I will tell you about golden snail. Long time ago, there were a couple of husband and wife. There were Prince Raden Putra and Dewi Limaran. They lived in a place. Raden Putra's father was the king of the kingdom. One day, Dewi Limaran was walking around in the place garden. Suddenly, she saw a snail. It was ugly and disgusting. "What's that? Ew! It's so disgusting," said Dewi Limaran, and then she threw it away into the river. She didn't know that the snail was actually an old and powerful witch. She could transform herself into anything. The witch is angry too. "Dewi Limaran, how dare you? You are so insolent. I will curse you into a golden snail." Oh no, she put a spell on her and changed into the golden snail. The witch threw it away into the river. Ladies and gentlemen, what happened to the golden snail? The golden snail was driven away in the river and got caught into a net. An old woman was fishing and used her net to catch some fish. She was surprised to see a golden snail in her net. She took it and brought it home. Well, ladies and gentlemen, when the golden snail woman woke up in the morning, she was surprised that her house now in a good condition. The floor was swept and also food the table. She was thinking very hard, "What did this to me? The person is very kind." It happened again and again. Every morning the old woman was very curious. Well, every day, one night, she decided to stay up late. She was peeping from her room to know who cooked her. Then she could not believe what she saw. The golden snail she caught in the river into a beautiful woman. The old woman approved her. Wow, the golden snail was actually a very beautiful woman. "Who is she? Who are you, young girl?" continued Dewi Limaran. The old woman then stood in the place. She talked to the Prince Raden Putra about his wife. "Raden Putra, please forgive me. I want to tell you importantly about your wife." Prince Raden Putra was so happy. He had been looking for his wife everywhere. He then prayed and meditated the old woman's house. He played it beautifully, and then amazingly, the golden snail turned into a beautiful Dewi Limaran. The couple was so happy that they could be together. They also thanked to the old woman for her kindness. As a return, they asked her to stay in the place. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's my story. That's my story that I can tell you. That we should not estimate anything. I hope it can entertain you and be very useful for us.